Questions 1 to 2. Read a text aloud. Directions. In this part, you will be asked to read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then, you will have 45 seconds to read the text out loud. Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Good afternoon. This is a reminder from Green Valley Pharmacy. Your prescription order is now ready for pickup at our Main Street location. Please bring a valid photo ID and your prescription card when you arrive. Our pharmacy hours are Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you have any questions, please call our customer service desk before visiting. Thank you for choosing our service.
Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Attention customers, please be advised that our delivery schedule has changed. Standard deliveries will now arrive within 3 business days, while express service will continue to be available within 24 hours. To track your order, visit our website. We also encourage you to place urgent orders as early as possible so that our team can process them efficiently and ensure that your package arrives on time without unnecessary delays. We thank you for your trust.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to describe the pictures on the screen in as much detail as possible. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 30 seconds to talk about the pictures. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, a doctor is talking with an older man in what appears to be a medical office. The doctor is smiling and sitting behind a desk with a laptop, while the patient is holding his glasses and listening carefully. There are some documents on the desk, and medical posters can be seen on the wall behind them. In the background, another person is sitting in the hallway. The atmosphere looks calm and professional, and it seems that the doctor is giving the patient some advice.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, a hairstylist is cutting an older lady's hair in a beauty salon. The customer is sitting in a chair and wearing a black cape, while the stylist is standing behind her and working carefully. On the right side, there is a large mirror and a counter with brushes, bottles, and other hair products. In the background, several plants can be seen near the window, and sunlight is coming into the room. The beauty salon looks calm and welcoming.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 5 and 6, and 30 seconds to respond to question 7. Imagine that you are talking to your doctor about health and wellness. Now, I'm going to ask you 3 questions.
What do you usually do to stay healthy?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
To stay healthy, I try to eat balanced meals, drink plenty of water, and get enough sleep. I also take walks regularly because staying active helps me feel better physically and mentally.
Do you prefer exercising in the morning or in the evening? Why?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I prefer exercising in the morning because it gives me energy for the rest of the day. I also work from home, so once I'm done teaching, I'll go outside and do some exercise. This helps me stay consistent since I'm usually more tired in the evening.
In your opinion, what is the best way for busy people to maintain a healthy lifestyle?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In my opinion, the best way for busy people to stay healthy is to build simple habits into their daily routine. For example, they can prepare healthy meals in advance, take short walks during breaks, and try to sleep at a regular time. They do not need a perfect schedule. Small, consistent actions are often more effective than making big changes for a short time. This is why a realistic routine is the best approach.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to refer to information on the screen in order to answer 3 questions. The information will be shown for 45 seconds before you hear the questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 8 and 9, and 30 seconds to respond to question 10. Begin preparing now.
Hi there, I just heard about the beach getaway package and need more information. Could you tell me which meals are included in the package?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Yes, I can help you with that. The package includes a daily breakfast buffet with international cuisine. However, lunch and dinner are not included, and those meals are available at the hotel restaurants for an additional cost.
I heard there is a special activity on the second day. Can you explain what it is?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Certainly. On the second day, there is a guided boat tour, and snorkeling equipment is included. There is also an evening entertainment show at the hotel that same day.
I'd like to know more about the activities. Can you explain what the package includes and if there are any extra activities I should know about?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Of course, the package includes round-trip bus transportation, 2 nights in a deluxe hotel room with an ocean view, a daily breakfast buffet, a guided boat tour on day 2, a welcome drink upon arrival, and an evening entertainment show at the hotel. In addition, there are optional extra activities such as scuba diving or horseback riding on the beach. Please note that these excursions are not included in the package price.
Directions. In this part, we'll be asked to give your thoughts on a certain topic. It is to your advantage to speak as much as possible in the time provided. You will have 30 seconds to prepare your response and 60 seconds to speak. Which of the following is the best way to use money? Saving money for the future. Spending money on enjoyment. Investing money to grow wealth. Choose one of the options above and explain your opinion. Give clear reasons and specific examples to support your answer. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I believe that all three options are important. Saving money for the future is necessary because it gives people security in case of emergencies. Spending money on enjoyment is also valuable because people should enjoy life and have meaningful experiences. However, if I had to choose the best option, I would say investing money to grow wealth is the smartest choice. The reason is that investing allows your money to increase over time instead of just sitting in a bank account. For example, if someone invests regularly in a good long term plan, that money can grow and help pay for major goals like education, a home, or retirement. In my opinion, saving protects your money, and spending brings happiness, but investing creates more opportunities for the future. You've officially finished all 11 questions. Great job! Which part did you find the most challenging today? Let me know in the comment section below. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more updated 2026 TOEIC content. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay awesome!